Zach. 9 years ago, I'd moved into a charming 1910s character apartment that had many quirks, some of which was some questionable electrical work. But what I learned that day was that you were always going to be there to help and support me. For almost a decade, you have been my rock and the person I turn to whenever I need help. And just like the outlet, no matter the task or the hurdle, you are there by my side.
I'm so excited to marry you today. Bridie Gwen, as I reminisce on the 9 years that we've had together, I can't help but be proud of all of our accomplishments that we've had together. We've really grown as a couple and as people, and we've really achieved all of our goals. We've worked through some hardships together, we've had our ups and downs, but there's no one else I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Throughout these years, we have laughed together and cried together. We've traveled together and stayed home together. We've welcomed new pets into our home and said goodbye to old ones. And today, in front of all of our friends and family, I get to promise to continue loving and supporting you, just as you love and support me.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We live it like the story of fun. We're dreamers, talking like the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the night.
Thrilled to be here tonight in beautiful Canmore, surrounded by friends and just enough physicians to qualify as a small rural hospital.
Growing together with Zach and Bridie has been an absolute joy. We can't wait for the next chapter, for what it has in store for you, and look forward to sharing this journey together. Please join me in raising a glass in a new way.
I promise to always feign ignorance when you come home from HomeSense with Velma and tell me that the 3 pillows that are now on our couch have always been there and that I'm crazy and that I just didn't realize it before. I promise to celebrate and cherish every dent and every chip in our floors and every nail hole in our walls because it's part of the foundation that we're building together in our lives together.